Sell on rallies, do you see it? Do you see the sell on rallies, guys? Does it make sense? Turned out to be a great trade, didn't it? Look at that. 5 contracts, $750, guys. $750. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So what happened? Well, you can see that obviously some buyers came in. The volatility was telling us to be selling it. The curve was telling us to sell it. We saw that the tick delta was starting to diverge. The volatility came in. The book was pumping it. We had a liquidity level here, which failed. We got a book reversal, so that's called a transition trade. I joined the selling immediately, and I was able to sweep the price back down to the prior low. Back down to the prior low. We actually took out the prior low, and then we managed to book our profits on the sell that came in following the prior low. Why did we book profits? Well, because of this, because that was the right trade to take at that stage, right? It was the right trade into the prior low to take at that stage. So we managed to get some sells. The price was at 97s. So my sell was there. I managed to get the sweep lower, managed to bank the monies into the low price, and that's all she wrote. Now, I didn't get a buy reversal. You can see that. I didn't get a buy reversal. At the moment, I'm not sure what I like. It doesn't look very good just at this point. The red line is starting to outperform the purple line, which means there's a possibility we'll start to see a bottom edge buy coming back in. So at the moment, I don't really like the sell and I don't like the buy. So you can obviously scalp this as it's happening. So if this is up ticking, you can sell any blue candles. If it's down ticking, you can buy any red candles. So at the moment, you could have seen that there was a little sell up here around about the 98s, but I never got it. So no trade for me. Just waiting for something a little bit better than this, guys. A little bit better. The buyer's a little bit overcommitted on it. So I'd still prefer the short to come in. Now that we're getting a red candle and a downtick here, that's going to be more likely to find some bottom edge buyers. We haven't swept yet, so we'll sweep the bottom edge. Hopefully bring in some sellers, and then we can see if the algorithms do buy the bottom edge, because that's what I would expect them to do. Nope, tick delta still sell side at the moment, guys. So I still think this has got further to go. Still think they're going to try and sweep the stops here. I like the buy trade. You can see the volatility algorithms will be buying stocks on dips, but at the moment they haven't shown up on that trade. So we've just got to be mindful of the fact that they haven't shown up on that trade just yet. So if we're taking any buys, we know they're going to be very, 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 very aggressive and stops at break even for the sweep lower. And now this is upticking. That's going to tell us that this is now definitely going to try and sweep lower at this stage. So just watch for that sweep lower, guys, and we'll watch for that trade. The book's gone bid, so I'm not selling it yet. The delta's offered, so this is setting up a bottom edge buy now. This is good. There's a lot of sellers now in this trade, guys. So there's the sweep lower. So there's the sell coming in as we expected, right? So we said it would sweep lower. So it's high. It's traded the high of that candle. It's came off that and it's now swept lower. See how beautiful that is? See how beautiful that is? Crazy, right? So what they're now trying to do is they're now trying to set this bottom edge up. So they're trying to bring in some sellers at bottom edges that they're, and then if they're going to buy it, they'll buy on the downtick. At the moment, you can see this is upticking, so that's still a sell, still a sell, still a sell, still a sell. So at the moment, this is still a sell, still a sell, still a sell. Now this is starting to turn down a little bit, but not by much. And there's the sell. See how we told you it was going to sweep down into the bottom edges? Look at that, guys. Crazy, right? Beautiful bit of business there. Trying to bring in the sweep, got the sweep. Now, obviously, we're starting to watch for the possible bottom edge to happen. Unfortunately, the algorithms went the wrong side here. See how the red line's now lagging behind the purple here? That's suggesting the momentum is now sell side. So that's expected to stay with the sell trade at the moment. So just be aware of that. This needs to punch down a little bit more than it is. It's a little bit static at this point, not really moving much. But it's definitely down into the bottom edges. It's not by much, but it's definitely down into the bottom edges. So I will be watching if that starts to build, and that's a lot better now. So we're going to start seeing if we can get an algorithm buying into that. What does that algorithm look like? It will look like selling deltas and buying tick deltas.